Hi everyone. Welcome to Wealthy Hustlers, the place where future successful investors come to get educated and inspired. In our day-to-day life, we see all the types of people, starting from a shabby-looking homeless guy, or the young millionaire who just passed you and won as many luxury cars. You see a highly educated college teacher who lives paycheck to paycheck, and an uneducated janitor with a mind for investments, who's going to leave hundreds of thousands of dollars for his family. Building wealth comes down to habits. The habits of spending, investing, planning, taking risks, and whatnot. So we created a video about these habits so you, the wealthy hustlers, can be on the good side of these habits. Today, we'll be talking about the differences between rich people and poor people and the things that they do differently. These are not absolute truths, and of course, there will be exceptions. So, here are 10 things that rich people do that poor people don't. The first habit is that rich people invest in assets. They know that the key to building wealth is to make their money work for them. Poor people, on the other hand, tend to save their money in low-interest savings accounts or spend it on things that don't appreciate in value. Secondly, rich people think long-term. They understand that success takes time, effort, and patience. They have a clear vision of where they want to be in the future and take actions today to make it a reality. Poor people tend to focus on immediate needs and don't have a plan for their financial future. On number 3 we have, rich people continue to educate themselves. They read books, attend seminars and workshops, and are always seeking to improve themselves. Poor people believe they already know everything they need to know and stop learning. On number 4 we have, rich people network with other successful people. They understand that success often comes from who you know, not just what you know. Poor people tend to socialize with people who have similar financial struggles. On number 5 we have, rich people are disciplined with their money. They have a budget, stick to it, and make sacrifices to achieve their financial goals. With this point, we are already halfway through the video. That means you now know a lot about the differences between the rich and the poor. Stick right through the end to know them all and acutely change your life. Further on, number 6 is rich people are proactive. They take action to achieve their goals and don't wait for things to happen to them. Poor people tend to be reactive and let life happen to them. On number 7 we have, rich people have multiple streams of income. They understand that relying on one source of income is risky. Poor people tend to have only one source of income and are vulnerable to financial shocks. On number 8 we have, rich people surround themselves with positive and supportive people. They understand the importance of having a supportive network of friends and family. Poor people tend to surround themselves with negative people who bring them down. Number 9 we have, rich people take calculated risks. They understand that in order to achieve financial success, they need to be willing to take risks. Poor people are often risk-averse and miss out on opportunities for growth. Lastly, rich people give back to others. They understand the importance of being a responsible member of society and giving back to those less fortunate. Poor people tend to focus on their own needs and struggles and don't think about giving to others. So there you have it, 10 things that rich people do that poor people don't. The key to building wealth is to adopt the habits and mindset of the wealthy. With discipline, education, and a long-term vision, anyone can achieve financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.